Thinking about switching phone carriers but want to keep your current T-Mobile number? You're going to need a T-Mobile transfer PIN to do that. The good news, it's quick and easy if you follow the right steps. Here's a complete guide on how to get your T-Mobile transfer PIN using the T-Life app. What is a T-Mobile transfer PIN? A transfer PIN is a temporary 6-digit code that T-Mobile provides when you want to port your number to another carrier. This extra layer of security is designed to prevent unauthorized SIM swaps and number transfers. Without it, your new carrier won't be able to complete the number porting process. How to get T-Mobile transfer PIN. Follow these simple steps to get your transfer PIN using the T-Life application, available for both iPhone and Android. Step 1. Download the T-Life app. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the app and sign in to your T-Mobile account. Step 3. Tap the Manage tab at the bottom right of the screen. Step 4. Tap the Settings icon, Gear icon, in the top right corner. Step 5. Scroll down and tap Permissions and Controls. Step 6. Tap Transfer PIN. Step 7. Tap Get a Transfer PIN. Step 8. Your 6-digit transfer PIN will now be visible on the screen. How long is the transfer PIN valid? Your T-Mobile transfer PIN is valid for 7 days from the moment it's generated. If you don't use it within that time frame, you can return to the app and request a new one. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Final thoughts, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to get your T-Mobile transfer PIN and can confidently switch carriers without losing your number. Whether you're moving to AT&T, Verizon, Mint Mobile, or any other provider, this step is essential. For more how-tos and telecom tips, stay tuned.